angels, welcome back to my channel. How are you today? Today we're going to be doing a Coach unboxing. If you like Coach unboxings, come on back to the channel, stick with me, hit like and subscribe. Let's go ahead, let's get started. I'm excited to talk about this lovely bag. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Let's do the unboxing. So my lovely bag came from Macys, you guys, and this is the way it was delivered to me. It's no secret. If you've seen the thumbnail, then you already know which item I picked up from Macys. So let me just go ahead and do my reveal and my unboxing. So when this item came, I was so happy to find out that, it came, because I was expecting something and I was like, did I finally get it? For a couple of days, I waited in the mail for this item. Another item came and I had to wait and wait and wait. This was the main item I was waiting for. So I'm so happy that I finally received it. And here it is right here. It's the Coach Soho bag in signature Jacquard. And I want to tell you guys a quick story as I'm unpackaging this lovely bag. First of all, lately I've been so into like blue and teal and turquoise and green handbags. So I always knew I wanted this bag when it came out months ago, but I never bit the bullet on it. And I felt like this would probably be my last chance to go ahead and grab it. So I wanted to make sure that I was able to pick it up. Part of the reason why I wanted to make sure that I was able to pick it up is because I have my original Soho right here, you guys. So I have my original Soho from, I want to say this bag came out in like maybe the early 2000s. When I was wearing this, I remember the job that I worked when I was wearing this bag. And I remember just wearing back then I was a detective. I had to wear my suits, my jazzy suits. And I remember wearing my Thompson bag to carry all my files and my folders in as I went to work at the police department, you guys. This particular bag, I remember carrying it and wearing it with my suits and different things. It's so pretty. So this is the older Soho bag. And what I like about it is we're going to compare it. Let me go ahead and show you guys the new one so we can compare them. Let's go ahead and open this baby up. But yeah, you guys, I knew I had the original one, so I knew I wanted to get this new one, this new edition or re-edition version of it. And I just never bit the bullet on it. But I said, you know what? Before it gets away from me and I don't get a chance to get it, I better go ahead and pick it up. And I wanted this color because, like I said, lately I've been incorporating several bags with the green and the teal color in my collection. It's so pretty. Oh, so I'm so happy to finally go ahead and add this beauty to my collection. My receipt is in here. I picked it up from Macys. And I was also worried because you guys know sometimes when you order something by mail, you don't know if they're going to send you a good one. Because I've been in the store so many times and looked at this bag and thought about this bag and examined it up close and personal. And I always saw good ones in the store, of course, but I was hoping that like in the mail, they didn't send me one that was smushed or anything. And she's absolutely beautiful. So that's good. I'm happy to get one that's, really pretty and nice. She's so beautiful. So let me go ahead and take the tags and everything off of her so we can enjoy her, you guys. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. So I'm back, you guys, and here are the lovely tags that the bag came with. Here are the Coach tags, and I was able to go ahead and remove them. And what I like about this beauty is that it doesn't have like a stud or a snap closure. Because sometimes when you're wearing the bag, you can fuss around a little bit with it when it has a stud closure. It just has a magnetic closure. It just has a magnetic closure right there. So when you go ahead and close the flap, it closes so easily. You don't have to go ahead and fuss and fight with that snap to get it closed. But it's so beautiful. I absolutely love it. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'll get some type of strap extension so that, I'll carry it like this as well or over my shoulder, but I'll go ahead and get some type of strap extension so that I could use it as a longer shoulder bag or maybe even as a crossbody. I think I only want to use it as holding it like this top handle or as a shoulder bag, a short shoulder bag. I don't particularly think I want to wear this bag crossbody. I don't know, I just think it's so feminine and cute to wear it and to use it as a shoulder bag or top handle. And this did come in the lovely pink color, and it did come in a like lilac purple color. All the other colors were just as beautiful, but I really wanted this blue color of it. So yeah, and it comes with 2 tags, and one of the tags says that it is the Soho re-edition, and I absolutely love it. And I will come back and do a what fits and show you guys what all I can fit in this lovely bag and how else I'm gonna go ahead and wear this beauty. But I did want to talk with you about her with my original Soho right here. So here she is with my original Soho that I carried in the early 2000s. And what's really nice about my original Soho is it's a suede or a soft leather. It's so nice. Now this one has the buckle, and this one does have a snap. So you see what I'm saying? This one has a snap. This bag has a beautiful blue satin interior, so pretty, and I wore the heck out of this bag. And you have to realize that I live in the Midwest, so I would carry this bag not only in the summer months because it's a brown suede and it's heavy duty, it's suede leather. I would wear this bag in the winter months and carry it when I would have my Ugg mittens on and, you know, all other types of gloves. And I would carry this when it was snowing and it was an icky day outside. And you see, I still have this bag to this day. What's really pretty about this bag is the hang tags. The hang tags are so beautiful because it came with the horse and carriage hang tag. You can see it has the horse and carriage hang tag. Then it has a patent leather hang tag, and it has a gold hardware hang tag. So it came with 2 tags and the brass horse and carriage right here. So it's a really pretty bag. Everything about it with the details is so beautiful with the buckle. And also you can go ahead and make it into a wristlet. A lot of times, instead of carrying it as a shoulder bag, I would remove the strap and just wear it as a wristlet. And I'll show you guys some pictures from like 2014 or 2017 when I originally carried this bag from my Instagram page. So, I mean, me and this bag go way back, and the Soho bag has always been a love of mine. So when they came out with the re-edition version, I naturally wanted it, but I waited for that baby to go on sale before I picked her up. And I'm gonna be so happy wearing this lovely bag. And I will come back to talk some more about this beauty. But today I just wanted to do an unboxing of her and share her with you guys here today on my channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video talking about this lovely bag. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Stick with me for more videos on Coach, Kurt Geiger, Chanel, Louis Vuitton, and all different types of handbags. And I'll see you girls soon in another video. Bye.